Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from AWS reInvent in Las Vegas, Nevada. Joining me for this segment, we have Junta Nakai. He's a Global Vice President of Financial Services over at Databricks. We're here to discuss architecting for an AI future in financial services with Databricks and AWS. Junta, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to TradeTalks.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
What is Databricks' focus and current offerings in the financial services segment?
Yeah, so Databricks offers something called the Data Intelligence Platform for financial services. You could think of it as a software stack built on top of AWS that seamlessly integrates everything from data ingestion all the way down to generative AI on a single platform end to end. It's called the Data Intelligence Platform. Databricks is one of the largest software company startups in the world today, and financial services is one of our fastest growing verticals.
So tell us how Databricks has helped financial services customers innovate on AWS. What are some of the use cases?
Yeah, so if you kind of take a step back and think about what makes a very successful financial service company today, I would argue it's two things. It's data and your people, right? And Databricks is a platform that really helps bridge those two things together. A really good success story is probably Block. So people who own Square, Cash App, things like that. And if you think about what's happening in the United States, there's millions and millions of people that are either underbanked or unbanked, right? The way things are set up here is that it's actually hard to be part of the financial service ecosystem unless you're already part of that ecosystem, have a credit score, things like that. So there's millions of people who are underbanked or unbanked. What Block has done is innovate products to really help people on the payment side. And if you think about how you interact with money today versus 10 years ago, payments is arguably the one place where you've seen the most innovation, right? And what Block has been able to do on Databricks on AWS is seamlessly provide Gen AI type experiences to the end customer. So just as an example, if you're a new merchant that comes onto Square, right? Historically, you would have to go out and type in a lot of things and say, hey, this is my company, answer all these questions, but oftentimes, your business doesn't really neatly fit into a particular bucket, and it might guide you to a specific product that may not be most relevant to you. What they've done with Gen AI is give people an opportunity to do free-form explanations about their business and really deliver the right product that fits their business needs the most. Right? So if you think about the innovation in financial services, it's not just about creating new types of products for your customer, it's about delivering them to them at the right place at the right time, and Gen AI is a very powerful way to do that, and they built that end-to-end using Databricks on AWS.
So what's unique or what differentiates the Databricks and AWS partnership in financial services that customers can really benefit from?
Yeah, so Databricks is multi-cloud, but it was originally developed for AWS. So we have the deepest experience working on AWS as a tech stack, so that's one. We integrate with the latest innovations in AWS, so for example, Graviton, the chips, so it runs much faster in AWS in some instances than other clouds. So there's lots of benefits of using Databricks on AWS today.
All right, Junta, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on TradeTalks. And thanks for joining me from reInvent. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.